know the problem with the G-Line when you want to shop. It was new for me because the bike is new, but I found an easy way to make the bike to lean a little bit to the left, so it's stable even if you load it in your grocery shop. So let's see what I have done. It's super simple to do. So what I did was to in fact move this one of the small wheels from the rack to the left side. So I have two small wheels on the left side and I have the big wheels on the right side, and that makes the bike leaning a little bit to the left and compensating for the weight that are on the right side normally. And to make it even more stable, you see I have added a nut here as a distance, maybe some more washers or whatever, but just by shifting the wheels from the normal location to these left-right side location, it works great. Keep it simple and enjoy the bike.